Hi, this is Victoria Murphy, going over the progress I did with week 7. So this week was really challenging for me. I was just having a lot of troubles working with my map, which was my main focus. I spent a lot of time trying to figure out some lighting issues, just trying to create a plane for my character to walk on. At one point I had accidentally completely deleted the map. But I was able to create a new level uh, with functioning map and movable parts. Um, and I was just really excited to see it kind of come together. I want to do additional work on my map this coming week. Luckily, I'll have the time to do that, but I feel as if my project is really shaping up, and I'm excited to see the finished product by the end of this week. So I'll go ahead and show you my progress this week. I'll show you the map. So we'll play. So we can click here. We can move forward, and now we can kick this ball around and go sideways. We can kind of move all these parts around, which is really cool. Let's see here. We can jump on top of them if I can get it. Or I can't. That's hopefully something I'll be able to figure out this week. But I was excited to kind of get everything moving around and able to just create a map that I was able to play around in. But yeah, by the end of this week, I'll get my character working with a functioning gun. And then, yeah, I'll work on this map a little bit more. Probably include some stationary objects that we can use. But for the most part, I was really excited to get where I am this week. Excited what this coming week has to offer and kind of go from there. I'm excited to see the finished product.